Hello, we're moving on to part 2 of our day with our focus on phonics. And again, we're in day 4, and hopefully you enjoyed your time reading a book for your reading log. Our focus for phonics today is I can locate short vowel words and answer questions about a text. Okay, so today we're going to be working in our My Word Study book. Okay, so this is the book that you picked up during materials pickup. And we'll also have a link to the electronic version if you would rather do it that way. All right, and our story today is called Ocean Flower, and it's in this book on page 4. All right, so today your work is independent. You are going to think, remember, stay connected to what you're reading, hopefully talk to someone else. I know some of you are working with another 5th grader that you can talk with. Some of you might need to talk about what you're reading with a parent or with a friend over the phone. And then write. All right, so these check marks here are the things that you're going to be looking for while you're reading today. Right? The first one is circle 5 words with short vowels. Second is what is a question you had while reading this article? And hopefully you annotated the article and can find a question that you wrote down while you were reading. Use details from the text to help you figure out the answer. How is an ocean dandelion different from the common yellow flower called a dandelion? Find sentences to support your answer. How do animals in an ocean dandelion rely on each other? Okay, so these are your guiding questions as you read today. And your answers are going to be written in complete sentences. We're really working towards those capital letters, periods, okay, complete thoughts while you're writing. And you have a choice on exactly where you would like to fill these in. There is a nice space at the bottom of the article. Okay, so that's a great place to write your answers. If you would rather do it in your notebook, your English notebook, you can do that as well and title the page Ocean Flower. All right, thank you, and let us know if you have any questions.